Greetings wherever you are.
I'm super thrilled to have you right here on Voyage Fiore Travel Vlogs. I'm your host, Petunia K. Pesh, also known as Content Buzzer. And quite frankly, I don't know if I will be buzzing you with some content or not. But hey, let's wait and see. This is my first condo tour, so without further ado, let's go straight into the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Alright, we are almost there. We arrived on the 26th floor, honey. Yes, that's my short. Furthermore, I'm going to show you this beautiful, this is where we actually run. We call it a running tracker, and that's a space where we can actually do lots and lots of weight training. I mean, come on, the details. Look at that chandelier. Look at that. Beautiful. Whoever designed this condo understood the assignment. This is how it looks like from here. This is how it looks like. Alright, so let's get inside and see what they have in here. Look how beautiful this is, guys. drop off. And how beautiful is this, guys? This is our parking lot. Gorgeous chandelier. Look at that. I mean, look at it. Let's put on the lights so that I can show you my little, I call it mini hotel because of the setup. All right, so let's start from the kitchen. As you can see, it's very small for one person, okay? So this is my little kitchen, as you can see. This is my little cute touch stove. I love it. It's easy to use. This is just on, and then you can just control the temperature right here. You see, this is a plus sign to increase, and then if you don't want it to be too hot, you can just, make it lower. Just is playing hi, babe. Alright. Outside. Hi, babe puppy. How incredible is this view? If you are still watching this video, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your other friends to come here and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.